Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna go hang out with my hubs, and I think today I'm gonna do something a little bit different. I mean, not different in like my makeup look, but I'm gonna try to match my print right here. So if you want to see what look I come up with, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, let's start. I don't have the exact shade, but I think I can make something work. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade and then this one. So this is a T83, and then we're gonna go into that really dark shade. Oh, and this is the Yoyo. It's from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo, but this one is Yoyo. And we're gonna go with that dark shade. Oh my god, I need to not dirty this shirt. Just gonna blend it up a little bit. So I'm gonna do that. Let's not worry too much about the edge. And then we're gonna take this 209 and then we're gonna go into the pink shade in this, and I'm gonna put it in the middle, like right here. Now I want one shade that is not, I want something lighter but just not in that palette. So I'm gonna go into this palette right here. This is the Candy Shop palette, and I'm gonna go into this pink, and we're just gonna put that tight, like in the inner, like right here. Like so. Let's go back to that pink and just kind of blend this. Now I need a brush that has like nothing. And now we're just gonna blend, like right here, just blend the edges. Okay, so that's it for this eye. I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and let's talk about this foundation. So it's the bareMinerals barePro, and it's a performance wear liquid foundation. So today I'm actually using my Tatcha liquid silk canvas primer. I didn't use that primer for a minute. So it does have a pump, which I love, which is not, is this lock? Please tell me. Oh. Okay, it's fine. It was just like, so this is very liquidy. I don't know. This might be too light. But I'm using my Flawless brush from Playing in Makeup by Yolondo. I don't know. Oh, this things. And then for my concealer, I'm just gonna put a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, right here, some here, 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 here. And let's use our Charlotte Tilbury contour wand This is so messy, so messy. Like, it's so good, but it's so messy. I think that's enough. It's good, but it's messy. I don't know. I can do a little bit more, maybe. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. Yep, that's enough. Now let's blend this concealer. I like how I just assume that you guys know, but I use the same thing all the time for the most part. When it comes to my tools, I don't like messing with those. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I don't really use it as much, even if I own it, you know. I have this big ass pimple like right in my forehead. Doop, 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 doop. Yeah, not sure why I'm singing. This is coming out very nice. Very nice. Now we're gonna go in for our Charlotte Tilbury powder, but I need the one right here. A little bit. Just to press there. Like so. Nothing crazy because I don't want it to be too white, and this is very light. Okay, and let's set the rest of my on the this is like on its last leg, but I am gonna use every single bit of it. Every single bit. I already have a new one, but it doesn't matter because these are not, you know, inexpensive. And I don't get products sent to me, so everything I have to buy. So we're gonna use everything from it. Every little bit. And to set the rest of my face, I'm gonna use my number 2 powder from Charlotte Tilbury. My lips looks glorious. What should we use for pencil? I don't know, for my eye. Let's put this. This is what? Fine Wine from Marc Jacobs. I'm sorry guys that I still use this makeup because I think Marc Jacobs discontinued his makeup line, but I'm gonna finish using this. Actually, I don't like this. But in reference, I'll just get any. You don't have to use this. I'm actually gonna put Legend in my waterline, but you can just use any pencil. You don't have to just get this. He has good pencils, or he had good pencils. Urban Decay has really good pencils. So. It's kind of frustrating because like not just him, but MAC does it too, and they just discontinued the line, and I'm they only bring like holiday. I'm like, I'm not paying $40 for this and then don't use it, right? No, that's not gonna happen. We are using it till it's done. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go in for a little of the dark shade. This brush is like perfect for this. Perfect. Perfect. Do you have any fallout? Nothing crazy. So for my inner corner, I'm actually gonna bring down that light shade that's in my inner corner. I'm just gonna bring it down. I'm just gonna bring it down. I'm not in the mood for shimmer today, so I'm not doing shimmer. We are not doing any shimmer. So I'm just gonna take this light shade, which is what I have in my inner corner. We're just bringing it down. Like so. And then we're Gucci. Gucci. Actually, let's do this. This is 14 Wine from Estee Lauder, and that's their double wear line. Just making it light. Or not light, just mixing it up a bit. So I'm gonna put this. This is Chambord. Oh my god, this is not even sold in the US, so but I want to use it. I wish they would start selling this in the US because it's so good. Let's use this. This is from Sephora, and it's the Demi tail brush, and I'm gonna use this from ABH. It is the Off to Costa Rica. Then just gonna bring it up, so you know, to give your face a little bit of depth. This is from Tarte and it's blissful, but let's see. But the last time I used this, it didn't do anything. So I wanted to do something pink to kind of go with my face. And let's do some J Cuts X ABH, but this I go in very light because this is a lot. This is setting spray from Toy Factory. Whew, the mist is like in your face. Okay, so that's it guys for this, you know, look. I think I matched my top pretty well, right here. I think I matched it pretty well. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.